what we need to make that very beautiful wire pendant. 3 types of wire, of course the thicknesses, 0.4 or 0.5 millimeter, 0.8 and 2 millimeter thick wires, any kind of rounded shape with a diameter of about 5 centimeters. I'm using a Lapis lazuli stick stones, and also our main tools, round pliers, Chinese pliers, and wire cutter, a nail to make a hole in the pendant, and a hard hammer. First, pick up 2 millimeter thick wire. Of course, it's kind of thick wire, and I'm going to wrap it all around that cylindrical shape. And I'm using my fingers to do so. And of course, it's a little hard. And then this is the time that I need to make both parts even. So I'm going to use my ruler to determine the other points in front of the first one to make it even. Be careful, this is a little hard to cut this wire out, so I'm going to do that in different directions at the same point to make it easier. So try to make it stop. Now this is the main frame, and I'm going to put it on a hard surface and hammer these 2 parts. So I pick up my hard hammer and start to hammer in it with that tool. And of course it's a little hard, and I'm going to push it intensely. And this is the wire that is hammered and became into a flat surface, and I am going to make a hole at the middle somewhere like this, and I'm going to put the nail and start to nail in it and hammer in it to make 2 holes at both sides. And then with a thinner wire of about 0.5 millimeter thick, I'm going to make a very little jump ring. I'm going to wrap it 2 rows, 1 row and a half is better, and then cut it out and make another one. Then I'm going to open it just as we open a jump ring, and then to insert it in the hole and close it. Just like this. And then to insert the other one. And this is the time to pick up the thinner wire and to insert these stones one after the other. I'm using Lapis lazuli with a blue color look. What do you prefer, and what is your favorite stone? Comment it below for me. And this is the row of Lapis lazuli, and I'm going to make 2 loops at the start and ending point of this row with my round nose pliers. So I'm going to make a loop and a 90-degree bend just like this, and another loop at the end. Again, I would pick up my tool, and at the end of this row I would make a 90-degree bend where these stones ends. This is the 90-degree bend, and then I would put the round nose pliers and make a loop. Then I would open up every loop at the start and ending point of this row, and I would attach it to the first jump ring, and I would close it. And that's it. A very beautiful wire pendant. So easy, so beautiful. I've cut a chain at the middle and I had inserted 2 jump rings at each point. Then I'm going to open it up and insert it in first jump ring that I had put at first to attach these 2 parts, and then I would close this jump ring. So easy but magnific. And I would repeat that for the other side too, and that is the result, and very beautiful wire pendants with lapis lazuli stick stones. What do you like? What kind of stone and what kind of cut? Do you like the stick types or rounded or any other kind of shapes? Please comment it below for me. And if you like this type, pursue the other tutorials.